Cessna is a small plane, yeah. I'm gonna show you X-plane in a car. Okay. First, I need to find where's the mixture. Oh, we don't have mixture. Climax power. You like how this? Okay. Oh, screeching. Yeah, in October 1, 2021, I'm about to get an RC plane, even though I'm a 6-year-old. But yeah, I just put feature. Yeah, that's why I want to get a 2-year-old for an RC plane. But I used to fly an aircraft in a flight simulator, guys. In that's 737 there. There's a flight simulator, and I played it. Yeah, I just literally got in the cockpit and played it. Yeah. You know, terrorists use flight simulators to find buildings to shoot down. Oh God, pull up, pull up! Virgin Atlantic. Okay. Oh, birds, one engine! A flyer on the Cessna one. After birds. What a good point. It scared me a bit. Yeah, I've been... Do you know why I haven't been posting Bobby Life videos? Like 2 days ago, I got to 800 bucks. Then I got the monster truck. I could have just saved it for a mansion, but whatever. It's fine. Rotate. Rotation. Okay, rotate. Oh. Okay, Virgin Atlantic 787. Still where I crashed last time, guys. Okay, believe in me, I could fly. But I'm just messing with stuff in the game, so that's why, like, it looks like I'm not good at flying, but I am good at flying. I mean, I subscribed to 7-4 Gear, and I'm spinning out control. Yeah, I just spinned out of control, guys.